This Instagram page generates over $30,000 per month with nearly 1 million subscribers. We're going to steal its business model and replicate its results in record time, thanks to AI. Today, I'm unveiling the hidden secrets of these completely anonymous Instagram-themed pages. Together, we'll apply the step-by-step plan from generating ideas to creating high-quality content, all the way to implementing 3 automated monetization methods, all with the help of AI. If your goal is to dive into the world of passive income by harnessing the power of AI, then be sure to stick till the end of this video. Let's start with creating the name and logo of our page. For this, we'll use an AI tool called Namlix. So I enter a few keywords related to the theme of my page, and there you have it. This name and logo will do the job. I'll save them. Don't forget to be specific when choosing your niche. This will help with monetization, and keep in mind that no matter your choice, there's always an audience on the internet. So, once you've created the page, you'll need to fill it with content. For this, we'll create viral posts like this one using only AI.
Go out there and become the type of person that when your feet touch the ground in the morning.
I've made a 5-minute video guiding you step by step to create the same kind of videos as this page. I recommend checking it out once you've finished watching this one. For now, focus on the whole process and pay attention to how we're turning this page into a money-making machine. You need to understand that Instagram's algorithm has changed. You no longer need followers to generate views. Instagram promotes every piece of content and shows it to groups of people based on their reactions. It then decides whether to promote it further or hide it. In other words, you can create an account today and perform better than someone who's been posting for 10 years because all counts are reset. In summary, AI generates your content and social media platforms promote it. The goal is to get lots of views and keep people on your page. Ultimately, this will help you gain more followers. Once you have a significant number of followers and views, it's time to make money. To do so, there are several ways to monetize your page. And in this video, I'll discuss the 3 most important and effective methods. For the first 2 methods, you don't necessarily need a large number of subscribers. The most important factor is the views you can generate. First, we have affiliate marketing. This is a strategy where you earn a commission by selling other people's products or services through affiliate links or codes. To get started, you can sign up on ClickBank and create an account. Once your account is set up, you will search for a product that fits your niche. You can filter products based on commission margins. Digital products are often the most profitable since they involve no production or logistics costs, and the margins are usually around 50% or more. So, if you sell a product for $20, for example, you can earn $10. Imagine that you get 1 million views on one of your videos with a 1% conversion rate. You'd sell 10,000 products with a net profit of $100,000. The art lies in combining winning products with your videos and a compelling call to action. The second method is selling customized products. This method involves creating and selling custom products typically related to your content. For this, we'll use Redbubble, a print-on-demand site. This means you simply create your design and choose the product to which you want to add your design, like phone cases. From now on, you won't have to do anything else but bring in the customer. The rest, from product creation to delivery, will be handled by Redbubble and your margin will be 20%. Let's say you sell a product for $30, your profit will be $6. Again, with just a 1% conversion rate on a video with 1 million views, you can earn up to $60,000. Keep in mind that these figures are approximate estimates because you can have more real viral hits in the same month, much like this page. You can see these figures increase considerably, and the reverse is also true. So, rest assured, you don't need to be a designer to create your designs. You'll use a free AI called Leonardo. Make sure to watch my tutorial video where I explain how to create designs using this AI. The third method is collaborations with brands. For this one, you need a minimum number of followers to be credible in the eyes of brands. I suggest starting to contact brands to offer to feature their products on your page once you reach 10,000 followers. Typically, you can charge between $100 and $500 for a post. If the brand requests exclusivity, you can propose an additional $1,000 fee per post during the exclusive period.
Nice.
Let's say you manage 3 simple collaborations at $500 each per month. You've just earned an extra $1,500, and this is for your beginnings when you only have 10,000 followers. Once you reach 100,000 followers, you multiply your earnings by 10. The key is simple: generate views, get followers, and all of this using AI. It has never been easier to make money online. To ensure you don't miss any new opportunities, make sure to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. See you in the next video. Peace.